Hindi pa po tayo tapos dito sa Chingy part. Inuna lang po natin yung kabila. So ngayon, ipagpapatuloy natin para makita natin pa ang ibang mga kahangahangang tanawin dito sa Chingy part. Actually, marami at malawak po ito. So kung talagang bibigyan natin ng oras ay hindi matatapos ang maghapon.
Yung parang exhibit? Oo. Exhibit? O yung sa Chinese na exhibit? Oo. Ganito lang. Kung ba paglabas mo dito, hindi yung patawin. Ito lang bandang kanan lang. Makarin mo yun hanggang dulo. Makita mo Chimney Market. Yung Chimney Market na yan, yun lang mismo sa tapat na. Mabalik sa sama ko na yun. Kasi hindi na.
At bago natin lisanin ang Chingy part, at siguro mababalikan naman natin ito after a month, a year. So, bigyan na muna natin siya ng Wikipedia kung ano bang history ng Chingy part. So, yung area po ng Chingy ay 7.9 hectares. So, the area has history of the being inhabited by fishermen and farmers, and was built up as an industrial base during the second half of the 20th century. And the Hong Kong government designated Chingy is a part of a new town's development project and began building it up as a residential township and community since 1970. And ano ba ang kahulugan ng Chingy? O ano ibig sabihin ng Chingy in Chinese? So, Chingy po meaning is green or blue black clothes, but it's also kind of fish, probably black spot turkeys. Once abundant in nearby waters, people named the island after the fish. So, after nga nung mapanood ninyo yung exhibit para sa Bamboo Teatro, so yun po ang tinhaw na nangangalugan na para sa mga fishermen at na mga magsasaka. So, ito yung way natin going there. So, dito po tayo magtatapos. At, yun nga, papunta na to doon sa Bamboo na itinuloy natin ng part 2. So, ito yung side ng Chingy part. So, Chingy is one of the biggest part here in the Hong Kong also. So, kung anong itatanong nyo, kung anong line ba ng Chingy, paano pumunta dito, is interchange in stations of the MTR between the Tung Chung Line and Airport Express or Chingy Island in Hong Kong. So, the station is located between Sunny Bay Station and Lai King Station of Tung Chung Line and between Airport Station, Kowloon Station on the airport. So, yan lang guys. At maraming salamat sa pagsama ninyo muli sa akin sa video ito at sa mga nagdaan na dalawang parte ng video, part 1 and part 2. So, kung hindi nyo po napapanood yung first and Bamboo Teatro, pwede po at i-search nyo lang po dito.